Hello creative minds, welcome back to another video, and today I will showing you a quick and easiest way to create a transparent text in Photoshop. So this is Sami Hassan from Graphic Analyst, and let's unlock your creativity through Graphic Analyst. So without any further ado, let's get started. And before we jump into the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel and hit the bell button. So let's go to the screen. So here is the picture, and now we are going to duplicate this. Select the layer and hit Ctrl J to duplicate. And now we have to make a mask of this subject, and let's select the selection tool and hit select subject, and now the subject is selected, and now hit layer mask. So now we're going to create a text. Just hit here and type. I'm going to type here red, and now we'll make it some bigger. Like this. Yeah. Something more. Yes, it's okay. Yeah. Now duplicate this and put this layer under the layer mask, and with the layer mask selected, head over to the layer panel. Here's where the magic happens. Double click on the text layer to open the layer style window and choose stroke, and make it inside and select it size 3 and hit OK. And now let's play around the fill opacity slider. So now you can see the text is already transparent. And just hold the Ctrl key and select the background text. And now we can move it anywhere. Whatever you want, you can do. And there you have creating a transparent text in Photoshop. And you can play with that font and color and the style if you want. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And thank you for watching my video. I will see you in my next video.